the Soul SYNC ANC. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Soul SYNC ANC True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-C cable for charging, small, medium, large ear tips, and a carabiner. The SYNC ANC features 5.5 hours of listening time, 25 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.1, 12mm drivers, and AAC codec, touch controls, USB-C for charging, ANC and a transparency feature, and it's IPX4 water resistant. This also comes in 3 color options, black, blue, and frost. I have the frost version. The case has a capsule shape to it with a grippy feel. You have the branding on the top of the lid, and on the right side you have the loop for the carabiner. On the back you'll find the charge status LED and the USB-C charge port. The lid has a tight snap to it and it opens and closes with ease. It uses magnets along with the earbuds. Earbuds are easy to remove from the case and you can see the branding inside. The earbuds have a short stem design and have a grippy finish just like the case. Ear markings are on the inside, and the outer face you can see the branding on the stem and a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, microphones, charging contacts, touch control, and LED. Here they are side by side. Playback and call controls are straightforward, a few taps to get the desired functions. These have volume controls as well, and activating the ANC and transparency feature is just a 2-second press. The case comes in at 3 by 1.3 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 35 grams and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Soul SYNC ANC microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the SYNC ANC. They created a snug fit and I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. The touch controls are a plus in reducing the pressure when navigating. Build-in quality is good. The case is compact and easy to grip. It feels durable along with the earbuds. Earbuds don't protrude out as much once seated in your ears. The touch controls responded well and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is fair, coming at 5.5 hours and 25 total with the case. I would have liked to seen a better IPX rating and wireless charging. The ANC feature I would say is in line with earbuds at this price point. It blocked out the ambient sounds when activated. The transparency feature picked up the surrounding sounds loud and clear as well. You will hear voice prompts when toggling through the features to indicate what setting you're on. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it definitely has its presence. Comes in deep and punchy. It's not overwhelming bass, and it was just right for me. Mids and highs do come in a bit forward, but not too bright sounding. Vocals and instruments do stand out. It definitely gives you an energetic sound experience. Overall, I feel these are a good pair that delivers on the sound and design. It does miss out on a few points that I mentioned earlier, and it comes in at a crowded price point. So it will come down to the style and sound you're looking for. So that is my review of the Soul SYNC ANC True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.